Hello, all of you internet crafty people. I am doing something that I have technically never done before. I am branching out. We are branching out with this project, and I'm really excited about it. You guys, I might want to be a wreather, I think. And this is kind of like a faux wreath because I'm just starting and I really don't know what I'm doing. All right, looky. Okay, guys, so this is what I've done so far. This is an embroidery hoop, so it's not a real wreath, guys. I'm just tying ribbon on this embroidery hoop, but I'm gonna do a bow, like my very first bow today too, guys. This is an 8-inch embroidery hoop. This is all Dollar General, I believe, and maybe this one is from, this one is actually from the Dollar Tree. Everything else is Dollar General. The ribbon from Dollar Tree and Dollar General is very nice quality, but you don't really get a lot on a roll. You get like 9 feet, which is what, 3 yards? Okay. So when you're figuring out how to make a wreath, you have to do math, people. And I'm like, I don't like the math. Mad respect for the wreath makers out there. I gotta give them respect. Because if I have to make a sign and I need to know what size it is, I don't even have to really read a ruler. I just need to count my little marks. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'll shut up now and we'll just get busy because this might take us a while, even though it's just tying stuff on here. I'm kind of alternating my patterns, and then I wanted to use some burlap ribbon, but then I tried to tie it on, guys, and it's so thick I couldn't tie it on. With burlap, I don't know if y'all know this, but if you get an end, like here, I'm gonna try showing this to you. You can figure out where the center is. Get a hold of one of the strings that's kind of close to the middle and you pull it. See, pull that there. So then you straighten it out and then see where you get the little line? Then I know where the center of it is and I can just cut it. I'm doing 12 inches for my pieces. Okay, oh, and then I'm gonna mix this in. I thought this was so cute. I know it kind of doesn't match, but this is gonna be what my bow's made of, so hopefully it'll work out. I think I'm gonna put these in afterwards. We'll see. Okay, so we're gonna do the 12 inches. And I probably should have pre-cut all of these, but I didn't. Then I have to always remember, I put this over the top and then I pull it through like this. And then when I'm doing this, I try to even them up as much as possible so I don't have one tail that's like terribly longer than the other. And I'm definitely not exact on any of this. And I'm hoping I have enough. I think I do. I think I do. And every two, I'm doing 2 of the printed or whatever, and then 1 burlap. Because I just think it looks cute. Here we go. And if I shake it just a little bit, it's like a whole glitter rainstorm. The poofy glitter.
The poofy type.
Well, like it's so light and it's like it gets airborne.
I don't like it.
See, I had this big fear with all the children. I was always afraid that someone would get glitter in their eye. So I'd be like, don't, you're gonna get glitter in your eye. Wash your hands.
In all honesty, I read an article about a lady who got glitter in her eye and had to get it taken out. So
she had to get her eye taken out?
Yeah. Glitter. But then I read it, and instead of going, oh my gosh, that's awful, I went, yep, should have been careful. Because of
can you see that? Can you see the glitter that's everywhere though?
Oh, I don't want to see it.
Am I on the right one? I think I'm on the wrong one. I need this one. See, talking, and this is why wreathers should make more money than what they make.
Wreathers are so stoic.
I'm telling you. I'm a little afeared that I'm gonna have glitter all over the backs of my stencils later. It's worth it for the.
I'll live by the glitter. I'll die by the glitter.
Sacrifice for the project.
This is too entertaining.
It looks like a turkey.
What is that?
It's a hard one to pull. It's a hard
one to pull.
Hopefully it'll end up at the right place
Cheri Bandt. When you die, that'll be on the eulogy.
I want to take a sip of coffee, but I'm afraid I'm going to get glitter in it. It looks so stinking cute. I'm going to add in the gray. I'm like super excited. Okay, this is the hard part, guys, because Cheri's stupid sometimes. Okay, and I go like this way, right? Like that? Is that right, guys? Yes, it's right. So now we're gonna do the bow. I'm a little scared. No, I think that that's good. I think we're gonna do a 7-inch tail. 7-inch tail.
7-inch tail?
And then I think I scrunch it. I want a 3-inch like bow part, so I have to go 6 inches.
Too many inches.
This is like lots of, so then I scrunch this and I put it here. Oh, I think it's gonna work, guys. Twist it. Okay, so there we go. And then this is gonna be our tail. So then I'm gonna do this. We're gonna use wire ties. Oh, come on, Cheri. There we go.
You can do it, Cheri.
I can do it. Okay, I'm gonna do it just enough to hold it, and then I'll do some, oh my goodness, it kind of looks maybe like something. I don't know. All right, and I know it looks a little jankalicious, but I think it'll look good in the end. I think what we'll do is I'll use my pipe cleaner. Okay, so now we're just gonna go around through the middle and spin this guy together, I guess. I'm gonna take a little piece of this guy and we're gonna go right through the center. Oh, I think it's gonna be cute, guys. I don't know, I'm just like loving it. See, what do you guys think? I think it's cute, guys. I'm so proud. Thank you, guys. Bye. 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 Bye.